Every week you go to the supermarket, but can you do it in English? Today you can. 45 simple sentences. Let's go. I go to the supermarket. I go to the supermarket. I walk through the entrance. I walk through the entrance. I take a shopping cart. I take a shopping cart. I look at my shopping list. I look at my shopping list. I walk down the aisle. I walk down the aisle. I look for the bread. I look for the bread. I find the bread. I find the bread. I pick up the bread. I pick up the bread. I check the price. I check the price and bread. I put it in my cart. I put it in my cart. I go to the dairy section. I go to the dairy section. I pick up some milk. I pick up some milk. I check the expiry date. I check the expiry date. I put the milk in my cart. I put the milk in my cart. I look for the eggs. I look for the eggs. I find a box of eggs. I find a box of eggs. I check the eggs carefully. I check the eggs carefully. I put the eggs in my cart. I put the eggs in my cart. I go to the fruit section. I go to the fruit section. I pick up some apples. I pick up some apples. I smell the apples. I smell the apples. I put them in a bag. I put them in a bag. I weigh the bag. I weigh the bag. I put the bag in my cart. I put the bag in my cart.
I go to the vegetable section.
I pick up some tomatoes. I pick up some tomatoes. I pick up some carrots. I pick up some carrots. I look for some onions. I look for some onions. I find the onions. I find the onions. I put everything in my cart. I put everything in my cart. I check my shopping list again. I check my shopping list again. I go to the drinks section. I go to the drinks section. I pick up some water. I pick up some water. I pick up some juice. I pick up some juice. I put them in my cart. I put them in my cart. I look for the cashier. I look for the cashier. I join the queue. I join the queue. I wait my turn. I wait my turn. I put my items on the belt. I put my items on the belt. I watch the cashier scan my items. I watch the cashier scan my items. I hear the total price. I hear the total price. I take out my wallet. I take out my wallet. I pay for my shopping. I pay for my shopping. I pack my bags. I pack my bags. I leave the supermarket. I leave the supermarket. Well done! You just did your shopping in English. 45 sentences, every single one. Practice before your next supermarket trip and you will be ready. See you in the next video. Bye!